Hey people, Augie here, Switchback Trading. Yeah, so after the Boner Fest, you see the Boner Fest? Yeah, boom, boom, boom. Just pure sausage party here. After that happened, slap the Fabianos on there. Once again, I like to use the bodies. That's just me. And what do we have here? We got the textbook set up. Textbook. Right there. Do you see what I'm seeing? Okay, I'll open it up for you. Okay, for people that don't know, if you're a beginner and you want a scalping strategy, do this, right? Okay. Let me back it up here. You don't do anything. You wait. Okay, you wait for the market to do its thing. So I mean, if you happen to have been long, great. And I'll tell you this: you would have been long had you followed the previous switchback trading model signal that there was. And if you left a runner in, you would have been long. You would have been long this sausage fest here. All these boner candles, you would have been in for it. Anywho, after all that shenanigans, you wait for a move to happen, and you measure it, and you wait. You bring it down, you bring it down, you bring it down. Okay? So you could say, oh, well, why not bring it down there? Well, where's the entry? Why not bring it down there? This one would have been a quick scalp, and I'll run you through it. Entry criteria is at this level, and price closed above the EMA. So yeah, entry there, TP1 there. So you better had hoped to have your stop at break even, because you got tagged out, you made profit, but then it pulled back, right? So yes, so this you have to take every signal, right? So okay, so that one didn't do 100% retracement, fine. Bring it down to the next one. Okay, so it just keep bringing it down. Oh, it just made another low. It just made another low. Okay, it just made another low. Okay, now you're waiting. Either it's gonna make another low, and then that's when you bring it down further, or it's gonna start the reversal. How do you know it's starting the reversal? That is a closure above this EMA, right? You know, and you know, I do have a inverted fair value gap as well. So that's a double, triple confluence. Why triple confluence? Well, you have it in. I've mentioned fair value gaps before. I just like to see them. They add confluence to the trade. So you have, that's your entry, 426. 426. This was a close above EMA, and it's getting above the previous New York close. That's a previous New York close, this green dotted line. That's your entry. And what happened? What happened? TP1, your first take profit. TP1, that gets smashed within minutes, seconds. You know what I mean? Boom. You know, and that's no joke. That's 426. That's 26 to 39 in that one move alone. Boom. TP2 gets smoked. Pulls back. You could re-enter, if you know. Boom, and then boom, 100% retracement. But there's more. So hence, put your runner in, because you never know if you had the fourth one. You know, you could have your stop at break even. You would have got stopped out if you re-entered when it closes above. Boom, she's taken off. That's a massive move there that you just captured with the SBT model. You know, that's all you need. Okay, this is what I do. This is my bread and butter. I go for this. That chunk of meat in the middle. That's all I want. From the 25 to the 75. But I know I need to hold my trades longer because there's more profit to be had, obviously. But that's a good chunk in the middle. 25 to 75, high probability of this trade happening. You know what I mean? It doesn't retrace all the time to 100%, but to the 25 to the 75, hey, happens a lot. So yeah, that's my bread and butter. But obviously the proper way to trade this system is take your profits, leave a runner. Because if you would have did that prior to this boner fest, good God, you know. So this was the trade. High, low, high, down to the low, right? And then you just waited. You waited and you watched. That's where the entry signal was given, confirming above the 25%. TP1 hit, TP2 hit, TP3 hit. You left that fourth runner in. Boner land, straight to boner land all night long. It's boner land, boner, 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 boner land. That would have been mental, boner boy. So yeah, leave a runner. Note to self, leave a runner. Right here, another runner in, bet. Jesus, a runner, I would have captured another 20 points if you left the runner in just now. Okay, I don't know how else to explain it. It's the same model, it's the same setup. It keeps happening over and over again. You need to learn it. If you don't know how to do it, let me know, but you should know how. Because basically every video I've posted is about this exact setup, this exact entry model, the SBT model, the Switchback Trading model, my model. Every video is about this, okay? You will not find a video on my channel of another entry method of trading or scalping or whatever. No, this is what I do. This is mine. This is my baby, my bread and butter, and I'm sharing it with you all. Why? Because I struggled so hard for so long before I got this, you know. It's hard. Trading is hard, man. I mean, you know, from jumping from one strategy to the next and one indicator to the next, you have to stop doing that. Find your model, find your system, find your edge, and then work on your psychology to trade that edge. All right, till next time, I'm Augie. Laters.